This The Rich Company property video is presented by Liddy Jennings. Historic and modern. The endless list of incredible renovations makes this 1920 home like a new custom-built smart home while still offering all the grand, charming architectural details of a historic home. The home was completely taken down to the studs, rebuilt and rewired. Yes, you will want to see it for yourself. Details like these in a new home are just unheard of. 5 stunning fireplaces plumbed for gas, original exposed brick, old-fashioned 1920s hardwood floors, original lighting, pocket doors, moldings and trim that will make you drool, and natural lighting that dances and shifts as the day drifts by, bringing peace and comfort to everyone who visits. When you visit, you will want to stay. Situated on one of the largest lots on West Main Street in Washington's vibrant historic district, 710 West Main will dazzle you. First floor master suite, a totally renovated chef's kitchen with sub-zero refrigerator and JennAir gas range, formal dining room, living room, theater room, utility/laundry room with built-in puppy wash station and a powder room, plus upstairs you will find 3 large bedrooms, office, upstairs laundry room and 2 newly renovated full baths. Newly added screen porch, detached garage, second floor deck and first floor deck. Don't forget, this is a smart home. Lock your doors and adjust your lights, music and thermostat from your smartphone. If you have thought of it, this home probably has it. New metal roof on home and garage, 2 new energy-efficient HVAC units in 2018. All new drywall, new electrical wiring with new 200-amp breaker box, all new gas lines, all new plumbing lines, new Rinnai Tankless hot water heater, new 24 kW whole house generator, new fiber cement exterior siding with new whole house insulation, new encapsulated crawl space.Fall in love with one of Washington's finest homes in a true neighborhood where neighbors really are neighbors. Be sure to request the complete list of renovations to this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Liddy Jennings at 252-943-8184.